Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today in this video, I bring some beautifully decorated cakesicle decoration ideas with different fondant decorations or creamy decor ideas to make these cakesicles more sweeter or unique in design, to make your events different and unique by creating these ideas for different party events. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and enjoy creating them. In this video, I bring some beautifully decorated cakesicle decoration ideas by using different fondant decorations. You can create these sort of unique and plenty of pretty designs or ideas for these cakesicles to make your events more special or unique by adding different fruity theme for your birthday parties. If you want to create such ideas, you can also create different cakesicle ideas based on different events. For birthday parties, you can create different theme ideas, and for some other events like anniversary decorations or different wedding decorations, you can create some other ideas. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, these ideas are a combination of different and unique concepts that you can create on different events. For birthday parties, both for girls or boys, you can create any of the idea or create some customizations to it according to your own taste or requirement you want to create for your special event. Or you can pick up some theme idea or color combination that you want to choose for your party decorations. Viewers, you can also use different whipped cream decoration ideas to create different sprinkle decorations or flower decorations on these sort of unique cakesicle ideas. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring some creatively decorated ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.